Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a baby shower invitation on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print button, and in the cards and invitates section you can find the baby shower invitation. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures or videos from your invitation, go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos and audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can find different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, frames and more. If you go to the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select the template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the style of the template, just tap to the template style button in the design section. And if you want to change the background color, just tap to the white car icon next to the design section and select another color, and done. If you want to move an item on your invitation, just click that and you can move. If you want to change the text, just click that and write your text. If you want to edit this text, tap to the arrow next to the playlist script button, and here you can find the different styles and font type. If you edit the size of the if you want to edit the size of the text, just click to the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.